Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious milk mousse. This simple recipe requires just a few basic ingredients and tools, ensuring a light and airy dessert every time. We will start by preparing our workspace and gathering 1 cup of very cold whole milk, which is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Get ready to create a delightful treat. Now, let's get to the heart of our mousse. Pour your very cold milk into the chilled bowl. Using your mixer, start on a medium-high speed. You will see the milk begin to transform, becoming frothy and increasing in volume. Continue whipping for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you achieve beautiful, soft peaks that hold their shape. This is the key to a light, airy texture. Once your milk mousse has reached its ideal consistency, it is time to add some flavor. Carefully fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, adjusting to your taste preference. For a classic touch, incorporate about a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Feel free to get creative. A small amount of cocoa powder or a dash of cinnamon can introduce wonderful variations to your delightful creation. Enjoy customizing. Your homemade milk mousse is now ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best experience, serve it immediately while it is still wonderfully light and airy. You can elevate its presentation and flavor by garnishing with fresh berries, delicate chocolate shavings, or a simple sprinkle of cinnamon. This versatile dessert is perfect on its own or as a delightful topping for other treats. Savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.